Hi my friends, today we model this part. Its name is control axle and this is the drawing. We start by creating the main volume with the length of 65, diameter of 16, diameter of 18, and this 17. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, plane, XY, and lines. The last one is closing. Close. And we can select it to make it center line. This is 75. This is 16, 18, and 17. Finish, revolve, and we have a first volume. We continue with creating the first cut, this one. From left to right, the first. Dimensions radius 3.3, 6.6, distance of 38, and this profile with radius 3.8. Let's do this. We create a new plane based on this one and tangent to the bottom. This is the base for a new sketch. We project two lines, this generator and this end. F7 to see that lines. Now we use a slot center to center. This is the slot. We apply the radius 3.3 and the distance from the center point to this center of 3.3 plus 3.8. This axis is placed at a distance of 38 from the right end. 38. Finish sketch, and we have now this contour. If we are scrupulous and we see here one dimension needed, we can place this point on this line. Nothing is wrong here. And now we create a curve for applying sweep. The plane is based on this face at a distance of minus 38, or better, we create a plane by selecting this face and this point, because the point is at a distance of 38. We create a new sketch here, F7. We project that point in the new sketch, this point, and we draw a vertical line starting from that point, going somewhere here keeping press the left button of the mouse and going to here and outside. Now I don't care about the length of this line. It is placed here, but the center is important to be coincident with the center of the face. Now, since we placed here a good right position for this slot, we can apply sweep by selecting the two areas and then this curve with cut. Okay, now we have that nice cut, visibility and visibility. Next cut is this one, BB, and you see 5 from this face to the center. Good. We create a new plane at a distance of 23. Remember dimensions 9 and 23. Plane minus 23 a sketch F7 with a line, a vertical line. I hope it finishes in the circle. Okay, then we place here the distance of 5. Finish sketch, extrude this area symmetrical with cut of 9. Okay, visibility. Next is next cut, this one with this contour. Distance is 6 millimeters, 9, 10 degrees, 4.5. Okay, a plane at 6 minus 6. Then a sketch in this plane. We project geometry, this full circle, F7, we draw a line from one to other end on the circle. I suppose it is well placed here. Yes, it is. The distance is 4.5, and I also project the Z axis. I make it construction and I apply the angle of 90 minus 10. Finish sketch, extrude this area with cut symmetrical on 9. Okay. Now we see a longer cut, this one, starting from here to this end. The dimension is 7.5. we use this face and we draw a line between these two ends, and it is okay. 7.5 is this dimension. Finish sketch, extrude this with cut 2 to this face. Okay. Another cut is this one. Yes, we see it here. This keyway. Good. What are the dimensions? The dimensions are simple. Radius 1.25, half of 2.5, center here, with a depth of 1.5. We use the other end of the part and we project this circle. We start from the circle with a vertical line to somewhere here, then we go back and to the circle. We place center to center and we apply the radius of 1.25. Finish sketch, extrude this with cut 1.5. Okay. The part has two fillets. Radius 2.5 down here, radius 2.5 up here. Okay. Let's place that fillets. This is 1, 2.5, and this is another one. Okay. The last features are these chamfers, one at 30 degrees. We select this chamfer and not equal on faces. Now I select the face where I number 1 millimeter. I measure here. This is selected. I select this. Then edges. This is the edge. You see? This is 30 degrees. If I write here 30, of course. Now it is. Okay, okay. Apply. The other end, I select the face. You see, Inventor waits for me. This is the face and this is the edge. Once again, we see here correct chamfer. Okay. I suppose that's all. Nothing is missing. Good. Let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is only this is different because here is 999. Okay, I eliminate the first value, and I keep the last, which means the one we used here. Okay, I suppose I didn't place here 30 degrees. Let me see. Chamfer. Oh, I placed 30 degrees, you see. I select the material, stainless steel. I go to view, shaded without edges, and default lights. Now let's compare the two, but let me place in the same position, and we have there is a difference here. Sweep is here. This sketch, this is not horizontal. Yes. Now it is. Finish sketch, and now we don't have any difference. But let me see again what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is the former one. I was wrong in this construction. Okay, we use this value as a reference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.